Want to know the one habit I never skip before using Temu? I activate the code on screen every single time. Not because someone told me to, because after comparing it with random coupon codes, it kept giving me the best combination of discounts and free gift offers. Here's what I noticed. On the days I used random codes, my Temu experience was pretty average. Small coupons, basic offers, nothing that made me want to keep checking the app. But whenever I started with the code on screen, the app felt completely different. I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, bonus discount offers, extra free gift opportunities, and way more rewards than I was used to. That's when it became part of my routine. Before I search, before I shop, before I even look at products, I activate this code first. Why? Because I'd rather let the app start with the strongest offers it has, instead of hoping random codes will magically work later. I even challenged myself one weekend, same account, same products, same shopping list. The only thing I changed was the coupon code. And honestly, the code on screen won every time, not because it gave me one giant discount, but because it kept unlocking better coupon bundles and stronger free gift offers throughout the session. That's the difference people miss. They're chasing a magic code. I'm looking for the code that gives me the best overall experience. And after trying a lot of them, this is the one I keep coming back to. Now, let's be realistic. Does this mean you'll unlock every reward every single time? No. Different accounts can still see different promotions, but if your goal is to give yourself the best chance of seeing stronger coupons and more free gift opportunities, don't start with random codes. Start with the code on your screen. It's the only one I've kept using because it consistently gave me the best results. Activate the code on screen before you do anything else, then come back and tell me, did your Temu session feel completely different too?